Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the eh sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the short E sound. Can you make the eh sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth halfway. Next, don't stretch the sides of your lips. Finally, make a sound in your throat. Let's put those steps together. Eh. Eh. Now let's practice a few words with the eh sound. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Elbow. Pen. Stretch. The S sound is spelled with the letter E, as in elbow, pen, and stretch. Well done. Great job. Ellii.